5 steps to make this tasty spicy curry noodle soup that is light but rich in flavor and surprisingly easy to make at home. Step 1. Grind and blend.
1 tablespoon of ginger paste. 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. It's time to pound it. 2 large fried onions. 200 ml coconut milk. 4 tomato, blend it. Add water.
Step 2. The frying process. Add 4 tablespoons of garlic chili oil. Use chili paste if you do not have any.
Put the garlic and ginger. Add in the cinnamon. Add in the cardamom seeds. If no bay leaf, use local pandan leaf. Add in 4 blended tomato paste. Onion coconut mixture. One tablespoon coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of fenugreek. 1 cube of beef stock.
Step 3. Water and taste. Add 1 liter of water, then add sugar, salt and pepper. Add more beef stock powder until it becomes flavorable to your taste. Boil for 30 minutes. Step 4. Straining the soup. Only strain and sieve the soup when you are ready to serve. The longer you leave the spice inside the soup, the better infused the flavor will be. Step 5. Assembling the noodles. Reboil the soup and add meats of your choice. Another option is to pre-cook the meats or seafood. Place them individually on the bowl and pour the hot soup on top. It is ready to be served with your favorite noodles. Click our Sarawak Laksa video if you like to watch more curry noodles.
Thanks for watching.